Hello and welcome to Math Plus Everything Journey. Today we are going to factor by grouping. And I have 4x to the third plus 7x to the second power minus 28x minus 49. First I'm going to factor out the first two terms and then factor out the last two terms. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a parenthesis around this. And then it'll make it easier for me to factor. For my first two term, I have 7x to the third plus 7x to the second power. What is a GCF? What GCF I could use? I could use x to the second power, right? Remember, if I have x to the third power, that is written as x times x times x. X to the second power is written as x times x. So we could use x to the second power. X to the second. So 4x to the third divided by x to the second is going to give us 4x. And then I have my plus, and I have 7x to the second divided by 7x to the second. We're going to have 7. So that's just for the first term. So what about the second? We have minus 28x and minus 49. What factor can we use for this? We could use negative 7 minus 7. So if we have minus 28x divided by minus 7, it's going to give us 4x. And then we have minus 49 divided by minus 7 is going to give us a positive 7. So when we factor and we group 4x to the third plus 7x squared minus 28x minus 49, we group the first two terms, then we group the last two terms, and then we factor. Now we have this problem. We have this equivalent expression right here, and we could factor out the 4x plus 7. So we are going to have our x plus x squared and over minus 7. So we're going to write that as x squared. So that's x squared minus 7, put in the parentheses. And then we're going to factor out of 4x plus 7. So we have two of those. So we're going to factor out one. So it's equal to 4x plus 7. And that is your final answer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Thank you for your support.